Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you the collection of creative woodworking project ideas for home decoration income generation. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Thoughtful creative design in woodworking art and craft for home decoration begins with the understanding that wood is more than a building material. It is a storytelling medium capable of shaping atmosphere, emotion, and identity within a space. When a craftsperson approaches woodworking with intention rather than routine, each project becomes an opportunity to merge function with artistry. In the modern world of professional interior design, where originality and authenticity are highly valued, handcrafted wooden decor has the power to stand out in a marketplace saturated with mass-produced items. Creativity becomes the bridge between raw timber and meaningful living environments, and when guided by careful design thinking, that creativity can evolve into genuine opportunity and sustainable income. The journey starts with observation. A thoughtful designer pays attention to how people live in their spaces, how light interacts with surfaces, and how natural textures soften architectural lines. By studying these details, a woodworker can begin to design pieces that are not only beautiful, but also responsive to real-life needs. A simple wall shelf, for instance, can transform into a sculptural element when its proportions are carefully balanced and its grain patterns are highlighted intentionally. A small wooden accent table can become a focal point when its form contrasts elegantly with surrounding decor. Through this lens, woodworking is no longer just about construction. It becomes a form of visual communication that enhances interior spaces. As creativity deepens, so does the potential for entering the professional interior design market. Interior designers constantly seek distinctive pieces that elevate their projects and differentiate their work from competitors. Handcrafted wooden decor offers precisely that uniqueness because no two pieces of wood share identical grain, tone, or character. When a woodworker embraces this individuality and designs around it, each creation becomes a one-of-a-kind statement. Designers appreciate items that bring warmth, texture, and authenticity into modern interiors, especially in minimalist environments where natural materials add depth and contrast. Thoughtful design means understanding how to balance organic elements with clean lines, ensuring that wooden art and decor complement rather than overpower a space. For example, a carved wooden wall panel can add dimension without overwhelming the room when its scale is proportionate and its finish harmonizes with surrounding tones. This sensitivity to context demonstrates professionalism and builds credibility within the design community. When artisans consistently produce pieces that integrate seamlessly into contemporary interiors, they position themselves not merely as hobbyists, but as creative partners capable of contributing to high-level design projects. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from, so drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational transformations and creative builds waiting for you. Turning creativity into opportunity also requires an appreciation for the emotional value of handmade objects. Modern homeowners often long for items that feel personal and meaningful rather than generic. Wooden art crafted with intention carries visible signs of the maker's touch, subtle variations that distinguish it from factory-produced decor. These details create a sense of authenticity that resonates deeply with buyers. When customers learn the story behind a piece, where the wood originated, how it was shaped, and what inspired the design, they develop a stronger connection to the object. This emotional engagement increases perceived value and supports income generation because people are willing to invest in items that feel significant. A thoughtfully designed wooden lamp, for example, can become more than a lighting fixture. It can serve as a symbol of craftsmanship and sustainability within a home. By weaving narrative into design, Woodworkers transform ordinary decor into collectible art that commands attention in both residential and commercial spaces. Professional interior design operates within a framework of aesthetics, trends, and client expectations, yet it also leaves room for innovation. Woodworking artists who stay informed about current design movements, such as minimalism, biophilic design, or sustainable living, can tailor their creations to meet market demand without sacrificing originality. Biophilic design, which emphasizes the connection between humans and nature, aligns particularly well with wooden decor because natural materials inherently evoke warmth and organic beauty. By crafting pieces that celebrate grain patterns, live edges, and tactile finishes, artisans tap into a broader movement that values nature-inspired interiors. This alignment not only enhances the artistic relevance of their work, but also increases its commercial viability. When decor reflects contemporary values, it becomes easier to position it within professional markets. Designers and homeowners alike recognize that handcrafted wood pieces contribute to healthier, more inviting living environments. Income generation in woodworking art is not solely dependent on large-scale furniture. Smaller decor pieces often provide consistent revenue streams. Thoughtfully designed wall art, floating shelves, wooden sculptures, or decorative trays can be produced with manageable material investment while still achieving high perceived value. The key lies in maintaining design integrity across all scales. Even a small handcrafted object can feel luxurious when its proportions are harmonious and its finish is carefully executed. Intentional finishing techniques play a crucial role in elevating decor to a professional standard. Hand-rubbed oils, smooth sanding transitions, and subtle edge detailing communicate quality and refinement. These finishing touches signal that the piece was crafted with care, which in turn justifies higher pricing. When customers encounter wooden decor that feels polished and cohesive, they perceive it as worthy of placement within curated interior spaces. Another important dimension of turning creativity into opportunity involves presentation and branding. In the professional interior design world, visual impact is essential. High-quality photography that showcases wooden art within styled environments helps potential clients envision how the pieces might enhance their own spaces. Lighting, composition, and background selection all contribute to the narrative of the product. When wooden decor is displayed thoughtfully, it transcends its physical form and becomes part of a larger design story. Branding reinforces this narrative by communicating the artisan's philosophy, commitment to sustainability, and dedication to craftsmanship. Consistent messaging builds trust, which is fundamental for income generation in creative industries. Clients are more likely to invest in artists whose work demonstrates both aesthetic excellence and reliability. Collaboration further expands opportunity. Woodworkers who engage with interior designers, architects, and home staging professionals open doors to new markets and projects. Custom commissions allow artisans to tailor designs to specific client needs while maintaining creative expression. This partnership approach fosters long-term relationships and repeat business, strengthening financial stability. When a designer trusts a woodworker's ability to deliver unique, high-quality pieces, that collaboration often evolves into ongoing work. Through these professional networks, creativity becomes a practical tool for economic growth. At its core, thoughtful creative design in woodworking for home decoration is about more than producing objects. It is about cultivating a mindset that sees potential in every board and possibility in every idea. The transformation from craft enthusiast to professional contributor within the interior design field requires patience, experimentation, and a willingness to refine both artistic and business skills. As woodworkers continue to explore form, texture, and composition, their creations begin to reflect a deeper understanding of space and atmosphere. This understanding is what bridges the gap between hobby and profession. When artistry meets strategy, creativity evolves into opportunity. In woodworking, art and craft ideas hold immense power to enrich homes and generate income simultaneously. By combining thoughtful design, emotional storytelling, professional presentation, and strategic collaboration, artisans can navigate the world of professional interior decoration with confidence. Each handcrafted piece becomes a testament to the beauty of natural materials and the potential of human creativity. Through dedication and intentional design, woodworking transforms from a simple pastime into a pathway toward meaningful work and sustainable income, proving that artistry and opportunity can coexist harmoniously within the world of modern home decor. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked creative woodworking project ideas for home decoration income generation. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.